Hi, I'm Christina from Kriska Yoga, and thank you so much for your interest in the 10 for 10 Yoga Challenge. I created this challenge for my YouTube audience as a way for people to kickstart their regular yoga practice and add just a bit of yoga into their daily lives. What I did was I posted a 10-minute yoga sequence every single day for 10 straight days. I decided to offer this challenge on Udemy so that you can download each class onto your device and practice anytime, anywhere, and you don't even need internet connection. During this challenge, you'll get a 10-minute yoga class every single day for 10 straight days. Day 1 is a full body yoga workout. Day 2 is yoga for abs. Day 3 is a yoga stretch. Day 4 is yoga to energize. Day 5 is yoga for your glutes. Day 6 is a yoga flow. Day 7 is yoga to relax. Day 8 is yoga for your neck and shoulders. Day 9 is restorative yoga. And finally, Day 10 is a guided Shavasana meditation. Each class is only 10 minutes long and it's completely free of charge. So, are you up for the 10 for 10 Yoga Challenge? If you're ready, grab your mat and let's get started.